Tá líon an róna le comhairteach Gaeilge i Mulfarste ag méadú a gcónaí, agus gach bliain eagraíonn Forbairt Farste Gael gradam gro le chlí le haithint a thuirt den na cólatí sin a churann an Gaeilge chun cinn. Bronn na gradam sa dún in Amala Anderson le Jenny.
Is Sharman is bliantúla a Harlíonn ag jury na bliana agus go bunneach tá muid géirí a hentas sa thuirt den na gróna agus na grúpa pobl ar fad ar fog agus mór a hacaíonn na pobl na Gaeilge na bliana agus go maiile sin a churann chun cinn an teanga ar bhain inacacht ó híh comhaíocht agus ó híh feicealacht na teangaí don mór phobal a gcoitina. So tá muid géirí so bíonn trí dúéis sin de féarne tá dúéis an gró began den grow big a bhí páirteach an sa cinneal ibre seo tá dúéis an grow mór an nó an amna is féidir a ra an grow mór nó an rannog stáit nó an agriach mór a chur chun cinn na teanga agus sin tá an grow pobl an nó an dúéis pobl don grúpa pobl so bíonn trí dúéis an.
Is mis Margaret Edwards as Bank na Heran, to much in Shaw and you fanna gradam grow. Cajun much in Shaw Bank na Heran go she an talk and Gaeilge car on kin.
DRD works for water, transportation, roads, things like that, all the big stuff. The last couple of years we have done our best to try to bring more Irish language into it. That's based on people having written to us to request things such as application forms and leaflets in Irish. We've had people who are interested in learning Irish language within the class, within the department rather, and we've been just trying to do our best to make better provision for Irish language speakers who live in the north, because they're served by what we do in terms of transportation, in terms of water.
Grúpa muid is a carú Gaeltachta agus tá muid a géirí ag fáil cuidró daoine ag teachta Stoc Belfast here. Tá muid rála daoine is at Éireannach is as Gaeilge agus bíonn daoine an seo gló in dhéile chud ag deanann spótáil Gaeilge sa réile. So tá sé an táhachtachta mó bhfuil a bheith gcuint úsáid as an Gaeilge ar na publications ag nó tá muid gló le daoine sa réile.
Tá muid ceantain seo fan dóid a himid a bhéim ar phobal bhéirla. If I know a war, so international grow, international public, agus international pobl. So tamadini gary file mark was fud fad na bliana tantram shop while during mid grade shoot na lakery gana hendas age shoot attack trial we got or son the changa ta wild the changa occurring at the sasta ariga the horse tap the horse the bliana but not win I hendas in armor base.